We begin with a story about a unique squad in Connecticut that's tinkering with greatness. Jared Greenberg reports.
Shaquille O'Steal, the big man's in the house.
In 2007, 5 students from Staples High School in Westport, Connecticut, with a passion for engineering, created their own robotics team.
They did their research. They found out that there's an international circuit of robotic contests. On their own, with the help of their parents, they put the money together to buy the kit so they could build a robot, and built the software, wrote the program, perfected what their robot had to do in order to win.
Our robot, as you can see, it looks kind of unique, but there are a bunch of different parts that we took from looking at different videos on the internet, looked at other people's robots, and then after we did that, we took them, shaped them into our own, and made our robot.
Last season, it was taking pucks from a rack and putting them in a centerpiece. So what we do is we sort of have a whiteboard and we yell at each other and debate with each other until we think of things, we take it apart, we try different ideas, play around with it.
Here's an idea right here. This flap right here, it used to be very flimsy. 2 team members thought we could make some support system to make it stronger. We probably spent a couple hours putting this support system in right now, and it worked out, and now it's very strong. Much stronger than it was before.
Like any other squad, unique drills help the team clear their minds and keep stress at bay.
They put in 40 or 50 hours a week. Compare that to what a kid puts in the soccer field, field hockey field, or football. It's the same. It's the same passion. It's the same energy. It's the same devotion, learning to work on a team, to support one another, to count on one another, so be responsible.
I felt early in the year that this team had something special going for it because they were never satisfied with anything but the best. So even when they got to a level that was exemplary, they wanted to challenge themselves again and again and again. So what I was most proud about, the way they challenged themselves, that they weren't really competing against any other team on the field. They were competing against themselves.
The Wreckers' hard work and determination resulted in winning 3 regional titles and a second-place finish at the FTC Robotics Championship, an international competition comprised of more than 100,000 kids from 50 countries around the world.
It was amazing to see all our effort and all our work culminate into getting second place in the world. It's really quite an achievement.
Now that we have all this time and experience under our belt, I think we're going to go even farther.
Wreckers on 3, Wreckers on 3, 1, 2, 3, Wreckers!
The Wreckers, as well as all of their global competitors, recently received instructions for the 2010 FTC Robotics Championship Challenge. And the kids from Staples are diligently working on their newest robot with hopes of capturing the top spot this year. Now let's shift our attention from robots to rowers.